Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review, can you use the 2 gig edge panel without monitoring? So you can. You're going to be missing out on a lot of features of the panel in a way. So when I mention features of the panel, that is more accessing it remotely or receiving notifications. So say if you're not home and something happens, you won't be alerted. You'll have to be with the panel to notice any alarms or control any Z-Wave devices you have paired there as well. So if you do get this set up with a monitoring company, but you don't want live central station monitoring, that's when a live operator will monitor the signals coming through and dispatch the authorities if needed. You can set this up with alarm.com. Again, you'll need a company to do this, but alarm.com allows you to monitor the system from your phone. You'll receive notifications, push notifications, texts, or emails if anything occurs. And you can control any Z-Wave automation devices. You can control that through alarm.com. And if you have any cameras which need alarm.com anyway, you can view those there as well, and then also pair those to the panel. So you can use the system without all of this, but it's going to just be more simplified local siren, essentially. So while you're home, you can do whatever you want with the panel, arm and disarm, pair automation devices and control them. You can't pair cameras, but the system will still work fine. But if you have this set up with alarm.com, you have all those extra features. And then of course, if you have this set up with a monitoring station as well, then if the alarm is triggered at the panel, it'll send out a signal to the monitoring station and they can dispatch if needed. Another benefit of alarm.com is if you're using, say, Amazon Alexa, Alexa does have alarm.com skill that you can learn in. So if you want to integrate the alarm system to Alexa, you can do so through alarm.com. It does offer much more benefits to have alarm.com than to not. And again, if you don't want full live monitoring, majority of companies will still be able to set this up with alarm.com. Usually at a cheaper rate, and that way you can still access your system remotely, have all those extra features, but not worry about live dispatch or live calls if that's not something you're wanting. You'll just be notified through alarm.com. So that's you can. So yes, you can use the system without monitoring. Again, we do highly encourage to at least look into adding the alarm.com feature to this. So that way, if you're not wanting that full monitoring, you still get all those extra features and you can access the system remotely. We do have information on this on our website, alarmgrid.com. And if you did have any questions for us, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you're on our website anyway, we have a live chat feature there, so you can ask any questions through there as well. If you did like this video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.